Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the cheapest electronic components on the market. For example, I was able to get these components for just over $1 a piece, whereas these same components can be found for $10 on Amazon, eBay, etc. For example, this LG T8F328P, which is a super microcontroller, costs around $10 on Amazon. The same component costs just $1.38 on Aliexpress. However, even on Aliexpress, there are disparities in price and quality. For example, this component is more than twice as expensive, also on Aliexpress. The disadvantage is that you often have to spend time searching. That's why I've decided to create a newsletter that will offer a quality electronic component every week at the lowest price among all sellers on all platforms. In each email you'll receive a brief description of the component, its advantages and disadvantages, a video to learn how to program it easily, and most importantly, a link to buy it at the lowest price on the market, but with verified quality. Links to how to receive it as quickly as possible in your country, while trying to keep the price as low as possible. To subscribe to this newsletter, simply click on the link in the description. All you have to do is enter your email address, and you'll soon receive the first email. I hope you enjoy this newsletter. Don't hesitate to let me know what you think in the comments or by email, as the project is still in its early stages. See you soon in a new video.